The reason I'm here today is because I wanted to tell you my opinion. If you're interested in buying the device, this is the message I want to share. So I received this one as a gift from the company. Doesn't change my opinion. I would have bought it anyway because of what I'm doing here, and because when I tried the NIRA Precision, I said if I could put this all over my body, I would. And then this came out. This is the one that I was really hoping for. This is a dream come true. Since today is the sale, you can get both for 20% off. So if I had to buy one or the other, it would be the NIRA Pro. And here's why. I have been using this for about a week now, and the territory, the real estate that I can cover with this device is so much more. I feel like for the money, I can use this on more parts of my body and cover more territory and get more impact. So the laser technology is the same. This is what I started with because I was in the United States and it's all they offered. I mean, I can't tell you how much I like this device. It feels different than this one as well. It heats up, but it's not hot. It's warming. It feels so relaxing. It truly feels like a treatment. I started using it on a 3 when I demoed it in my video, in my unboxing and my demonstration and my explanation of the unit and what I perceived the differences to be at that time. It's not as snappy as this one. This one, I will tell you, if you have little teeny tiny wrinkles that you're wanting to get at, this is great. And I'm not going right here with it, but I am going here with it. And then I'm going around my eye. I have not gone under my eye with this yet. However, you can do this one. So again, if you have both, like I do, I will use them both. Now I will tell you, the difference between this one is you can hit the spots that you are targeting 2, 3, 5 minutes. I could do the spots on my face that I was interested in and the ones on the back of my hand. This one, because I am using it literally on the upper part of my body and my hands, this takes more like 10 minutes. Know that this will take longer if you do more parts of your body. It's not like you can just be done in 2 minutes, but that's just because the applications are different. I would have used this all over, but it was such a teeny tiny thing, I would have been in there for quite a while, trying to cover the territory. This is so easy. I can just place it on my face and move it along, and I cover so much area. And I cannot recommend this enough. I am telling you what, when I used this one for 10 months, it really did make a difference in my skin. And I cannot wait to see what happens with this. If you do purchase it, be sure to take before photos, because just like with a lot of things, you may not see the change. And a lot of people, I know until I started this YouTube channel, I just didn't take pictures of myself. Don't forget to take pictures of yourself, and you're gonna be so happy that you did. If you have any questions before you make your purchase, or just anything more you wanna know about the NIRA before you make your purchase, or if you were considering making a purchase, I am happy to answer them. Pop them down below. I'm gonna try and give my full attention to this in the next couple of days in case you have any questions and you want some information. I'm here for it. I love this device. I love this one too. If you can afford to buy them both, it's a great time to do it. If I had to pick one, this is the one I would pick, the NIRA Pro. I hope that's helpful, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.